this is a pre-launch, and we will have a launch. We'll have a full launch sometime next month. We have not fixed the date yet, but we'll have next month. This is a social media platform similar to so many other platforms that we currently have, and functionality is, probably you can say, it's not a copy of one particular application or platform. We have some features from, you might see features which are available in others. So nothing new as far as functionality is concerned, but the uniqueness, earlier someone was asking what is unique about the app. One is, we will not sell your data to anyone, unlike other competitors who have sold. One. Two, this is an Indian application, starting from India, launched from Bangalore, India, and hopefully we go to the rest of the world. Unlike other applications which always come from US or from China. I mean, most of the developers are Indians. If you go to any IT company, whether in India, Europe or US, it's all Indians, 70-80% will be Indians. But it has never gone, it's always come from the US or from Europe to India, but not the other way around. So we want to change that by launching in Bangalore, India, and then going to the rest of the world. That's one uniqueness, I would say. Second is, like I talked about the platform itself. Another one that I talked about the data not being sold. We'll never sell data, the user's data, to anyone. And the other feature unique is to our app is, let's say A sends a message to B. He has an option to select as a regular chat or as an auto delete chat. Okay, what do I mean auto delete? The user A selects, once user B looks at the message, we have a functionality inside where it automatically deletes. It doesn't have an option. B does not have an option to forward it or save it and so on. And once it is deleted, it's gone from the database, it's not there. If anyone wants to see that message the next day, we ourselves from the platform, as administrators or owners of the app, we cannot get back that data. So that will be truly delete. So it's really confidential between A and B. Okay, and the other main attraction is the rewards points that we have. Users right now, all these platforms, social media platforms that we have, do not reward the users, but we plan to reward the users for on different things that you do on the platform itself. For example, the number of connections that you might have as users, or if you make a suggestion, completing your profile will also get you some points, and so on. Now, details, obviously, once we're ready to go live, all those details will be there in black and white, so that you all can figure for yourself how much points you have got, or what you will get, and so on. And more important is these points can be, we have two types of rewards. One is the long-term reward, and two is the short-term rewards. Short-term rewards, basically, initially, let's say we might have 100 users by state, by number of users that you have in that period of time. Let's say first 6 months you have made 500 connections or 200 connections, friends and family circle. You might get, for each user, you might get n number of points. So that is short term. And we might give, for, let's say for Karnataka state, we might give top 100 people 500 rupees each. So like that we will give these rewards to the whole of the country. Not every user, but top 100 from each state. So that is short term. And we'll have different promotions like that. It will not be just this one. To start with, it will be 500 rupees per user among that 100. And then we'll have other promotions going on continuously over a period of time. The reason is to keep the users on the application or on the platform. And also long term, we will have long-term rewards, which, depending on the number of points that you have accumulated in the app, we will give you something worthwhile, something tangible. Now that what will be converted to something tangible, we will know, we will tell you only at the final launch. I've already got it approved from the Government of India, from the department, one of the departments for patents and I'm not getting the name now. So I've got it approved from India, but I have a patent pending in the US. It's not yet approved. So these are the two main things. The rewards, which is what will attract us, will differentiate us compared to the other apps, that social media apps that are there in the market.